This is going to be interesting. Oh my, this is deep. There we go. Got a little guy. Oh, missed him, but let's see if I can find another. There's some little guys in here. Not these super shrimpy ones, but there's some bigger sized ones that'll take this fly. Ah, I had a little guy. There we go. Finally. And I let him go. So I'm trying something different today. Just trying out this little stream. Found some sunfish in here. Hooked 2 of them, but I have yet to land them because they just keep coming off the hook. Tried fishing in the main stream, but I just kept getting deeper and deeper into mud. Oh, there's a bigger guy. There he is. Do I have him? No. He let go also. Darn it. There we go. Let's see. Yes. Finally got him. And he's gone. Nope. Yep, he's gone. Well, I found this frog sitting here in the water. He's right there. Not sure if you can see him, but he's pretty cool. He's just chilling right now. Not sure where he came from though. Oh, there he goes. He went into the grass. Doesn't look like they like red. Red's not what I usually throw, but thought I would try something different. I caught this guy. Thought my camera was on, but wasn't. Bye-bye. There we go. I got him. Got the biggest one here. There it is. A nice, good sized sunfish. One last shot of you. Bye-bye. I think I'm gonna head home, get something to eat. Anyhow, not my typical fishing, but wanted to try something new and see if there was anything out here. Definitely way too muddy. So, I'm not sure if I'll come out here again, but at least for now, I know that I can catch something here too. There we go. Got a little guy for a ride. Really little guy. Look at that. He's tiny. Whoop. There he goes. Oh, there we go. Here we go. Got another nice fatty for this place, at least. Look at that. Pretty cool. Love those bright colors on there. There it is. Nice little sunfish.